Let's look at the first reading exam. Question one. Why does the author think it is so important whether or not there are moral facts? Well, this is a complicated question because the whole idea of a moral fact is a complex and complicated idea. It's a little tricky to say what a fact is. But basically, I think the idea is well, we know that there are scientific facts, we know that there are simple observational facts. And in science, if I say, for instance, that the Earth is in motion around the sun, I made a claim. And if I can verify that claim, then I can say that it's a fact that the Earth is in motion around the sun. And there are ways of doing that. If I say that Joe Biden is president of the United States, I've made a claim, made a statement about the world, and I can verify it. I can look at the results of the different electoral college outcomes, and I can verify that he indeed is president of the United States currently. The question is, can you do that with morality? If I say that what Jim did to Joe was morally wrong, well, can I back that up by looking at something in the world which would verify the statement in the same way as the other ones? Well, if you believe that there are moral facts, then you believe that that can be done. If you do not believe that there are moral facts, then you believe that that can't be done. It is a big issue for the author because if there are no moral facts, then there is no way of completely verifying or validating any moral claim. And if there are no moral facts, for the author at least, then morality is probably relative to individuals or more likely relative to cultures. If there are moral facts, then there is a moral fact of the matter. So that if there's disagreement about what is right and wrong, well, there's a way of reconciling that, just as in mathematics or science. If we have disagreements, it doesn't mean that there's no truth of the matter. It means that at least one of us is wrong. So it's a big issue whether or not there are moral facts. Question two, what is moral realism? Well, you could say in one way that moral realism is the commitment to the idea that there are moral facts, and that moral anti-realism, the next question, would be the idea that there aren't any moral facts. Moral realism, let's make sure that we know what it means, right? Real, that morality is real. Um, well, let's just say this that if you're a moral realist, then you believe that morality is sort of built into reality in the same way that the laws of nature, physical nature, and physics are built into reality or chemistry, and that it's a discoverable part of reality. That you and I have moral beliefs. We really have moral beliefs, but those that doesn't mean we're moral realists because those beliefs need to be about something real. Right? So let's just say if you're a moral realist, you believe that yeah, I like that. If I say that it is good to give to charity, then my statement, in some way or another, if I'm a moral realist, is backed up by something beyond me, something independent of me. If I am a moral anti realist, I believe the opposite. Moral beliefs are not about something real. If I'm a moral realist, I believe that morality is mind independent, that it's not constructed, it's not made up. The physical laws of nature, physics, chemistry, biology, we presume that they are not made up, that they are discovered. That would make them mind independent. If I'm an anti-realist, morality, I believe that morality is mind dependent. That is, there is no objective morality. It's not like science or math or common sense things. It is mind dependent in the sense that it's constructed. So you could say that if you're a moral anti realist, you believe that morality is